VPD 250 works stably and continuously, and is suitable for various four-side sealing products such as wet wipes, alcohol pads, cotton pads, etc. Grand Packing has launched the new VPD 250 wipes packing machine updated with new machine programs and configurations. Using Yaskawa servo motor, the speed can reach up to 110 to 150 packs per minute, and the production efficiency is higher and more stable. The machine has two speeds. The latest high-end machine can do 110 to 150 bags per minute, and the normal configuration can do 80 to 110 bags per minute.